Hi! I am Cookie, your favorite snack. I want to do my best to make this world cleaner. How can I do it? Let's learn everything about it. I come from a factory. Here I am made, cooked, and sent all over the supermarkets. This process is essential, but produces some waste. The more cookies are made, the more waste is produced. The waste ends up in the environment and must be disposed. But this increases pollution, requires space, and can also be very expensive. Fortunately, the waste I make can also be a resource for the future. How? Thanks to circular economy. Circular economy means that waste can be saved and reused for other purposes. How can this work? One option is SYMSITES. SYMSITES is designed to help us build a cleaner future. Thanks to eco-sites, places like small towns where everyone plays a key role. Here, the waste produced by factories is collected, along with the other solid waste of the town. Then, special technologies transform it into clean energy, safe water, and nutrients for the soil. These products can be used in agriculture and many other ways. On the internet, a website will help factories to exchange waste for new resources. With SYMSITES, we can produce energy instead of using it and transform waste into nourishment for the planet. We call it sustainability, and it's about finding ways to live in harmony with the earth. Only teamwork will make this possible. I am doing my best. Would you help me? SYMSITES, a must for sustainable and circular economy.